What's going on, YouTube? It's been a minute. We're adjusting to the boat life thing, and we're going to talk about what we thought it would be like versus what it is now. The disappointments and the excitement and the ups and downs of doing what we're doing. All right, we're going to start off with what we were expecting. I was expecting it to be a lot more comfortable.
Yeah, me too.
And it's comfortable, but it's like living on a boat comfortable.
I don't think it's like living on a boat comfortable. I think that we need new cushions. These cushions are hard. They were never used before, so.
Yeah, I was thinking more of comfort as in like being comfy.
Oh,
I wasn't talking about the cushions. Yeah, we're going through a very bad storm right now.
Yeah.
We went through one a couple days ago.
It's supposed to be bad for the next couple of days, so.
Yeah, that storm we went through the last time, what'd you think of that?
I wanted to go home.
Yeah, she didn't like it at all. And as you can tell by looking at this footage, it was pretty wild. Well, for us, because it was new to us.
Yeah, it was new to us, and now we're doing it again.
Yeah,
today and tomorrow.
Yeah, right now we're in a tornado watch for the next 4 hours.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think we're going to get any sleep tonight.
No.
But anyways, one thing that I was not expecting is how often we got to take the trash out. We were thinking like a big regular trash bag would work.
Yeah.
But we've come to find out that like your regular plastic shopping bags are perfect on the boat.
Yeah.
Usually when we go shopping, we grab a big old thing of them.
Yeah, we take them from Walmart or Publix.
Yeah, and we take out the trash, 2-3 times a day?
Yeah.
Whenever we step out to the marina to use the facilities, I'll usually take the trash out.
That's another thing that sucks is getting off the boat to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, because we don't use the bathroom on the boat.
No, we're trying to upgrade our toilet to a Nature's Head. So.
Yep, Nature's Head would be great. Nature's Head, hello. We're here. But anyways, the trash was one thing that I was not expecting.
The dishes.
Yeah, the dishes.
There's never an empty sink of dishes.
No, usually we'll use the dishes and we'll like dirty them all up. And then when we're ready to eat again, we're like, we ain't got no dishes. And then we do the dishes.
Yep. But we haven't had dishes in the sink for 24 hours.
Yeah. But we've agreed to stay on top of it now because it's getting summertime. The bugs out here are pretty bad. We don't, we just got to keep it clean. That's the thing. Just keep it clean.
Mm-hmm.
And being at the marina right now until we cast the lines, the currents are really bad. 8-knot currents. You got to catch slack tide. And that's, a 30-45 minute window.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're a minute late or a minute early, you ain't getting in the dock. It ain't happening.
No, so that's why we haven't been going out very much.
Yeah.
Plus, I work full-time, so, I get 2 days off a week, but...
Yeah, we're just still saving up money to go cruising. And the bottom growth on the bottom of these boats.
Yeah, we didn't think it was that bad.
Yeah, it's bad. We're talking within 2 weeks, you get barnacles stuck on the hull of the boat.
Yeah, and that guy that we have doing it now said that we have to have it done every 2 weeks.
Yep.
Because the water temperature here is like 87 degrees or something.
No, it's 81 right now. So yeah, that's another frustration we was not anticipating. I literally planned on doing the stuff to the boat myself.
Yeah, 'cause he has a wetsuit and everything. It's just the current here is so bad that
Yeah, it's very dangerous. As soon as you hit the water, you're washed down 3 more docks over in a matter of seconds. And adjusting to a very small bedroom.
yeah.
Yeah. So
We
here,
did end up flipping around the V-berth and put our heads towards wherever this is.
yeah, the galley.
The galley.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll show you the V-berth here in a second, so y'all can see what that's like.
It's a mess. I
Well-
have laundry everywhere. I have to put laundry. That's another thing. Putting laundry away after you wash it.
Yeah. The space is very limited. We learned that real quick, didn't we?
Yes.
Real quick. But with the magic of video editing, it'll just be like 1/10 of a second for them, and we can show them a clean bedroom.
Oh, okay. So when we first moved on the boat, we slept this way for like, what, 2 weeks?
No, let's turn ahead to go ahead and turn these off and get the.
Woo!
There we go.
But instead of sleeping like this, I had the bright idea of sleeping this way and putting our feet down there. Because we could stretch out completely. Because the other way we were sleeping, I was stuck up against this and Quint was stuck up against that side. It was very uncomfortable. Very uncomfortable.
Yeah. But it's got good room though. I mean, I ain't got headroom with the crud, but.
No, I wipe my head on this at least once a week. Maybe once a day. But yeah, it's home.
Yep. So you got your little eye covers there.
Which I don't need very much. I mean, because the sun doesn't, when we have sunshades on the windows now because it gets too hot.
Yeah. Tell them what that is there.
That's our solar fan.
Yep, that's our anchor locker.
Yeah, this sucks out so that way whenever the air is blowing back here.
Yeah, it actually pulls the air out. It's solar powered.
It's home though. And our house doesn't leak. That's a good thing.
Yep.
Because it's rained and it's raining right now.
Well, now we'll go back and talk about the other stuff. You know what? That's what channels want to be about. All of it. We had to pull all that stuff out of there so we could show you the bedroom.
Yeah, because I haven't put laundry away. I mean, usually this stuff is not here, but I just did laundry last night at like 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, and we finished it this morning, so we're still going to put this stuff away. So yeah, we had to move a lot of stuff around for the video. So this will not be edited out, so you can see that it's not all rainbows and butterflies like you see on the others.
Nope.
So yeah, the sleeping arrangements took about what, 2 or 3 days to adjust.
Yeah.
It's actually quite comfortable once you get used to it.
Yeah, I couldn't sleep anywhere else. I mean, it rocks me to sleep at night.
Yeah.
Like, I'll go back there and lay down, and I want to play on my phone, and I'm back there like maybe 5 minutes. I'm like, I'm tired, I'm going to sleep.
Yep. And the sea legs.
The sea legs suck.
That's one thing they don't talk about. When we get off the boat and we go on dry land and we're standing still, it feels like everything is still moving. Made you sick there for a while, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. I've kind of gotten used to it now, but
She would get seasick on land.
Yeah, there for a little bit. I was at work a couple of Sundays ago, and I was sick as heck because it felt like I mean, it just felt like everything was moving constantly. And I knew it wasn't, but there's nothing you can do for it. But because Germany won't help you whenever you're on land.
No.
But it's getting better.
Yeah, she's getting better with it. We really didn't get seasick, did we?
No.
I mean, we got a little nauseous once or twice.
That was whenever we were getting the boat ready to sail up here, though. We weren't. The first couple of days we were on the boat, actually staying on the boat, we didn't get sick or anything. I mean, another thing that sucks about being on the boat is cooking on the boat. It gets hot in here. We have a grill outside that Quentin installed. There's a video for that. And
yeah, there's I got a video of installing the grill.
but yeah, I mean, we haven't used it, but maybe once. Is that how many times we used the grill? Once?
Yeah, once or twice.
Yeah.
Man, that wind, that storm's really got this boat moving.
Well, that's another reason why we don't use the grill very often. Is because where we're at, it is really windy because we're less than 100 yards off the Gulf. So, I mean, it's like the wind is, I mean, it's good because we have a nice breeze. We can open the boat up, you know, and not have to run the AC.
Yep, it was crazy. Crazy times. 20 years from now, we're going to be looking back at this going, man.
Yep.
If I could do it again.
If I could do it again, I wouldn't do it again. Living on a boat.
Yeah, the boat's really moving. But we're gonna go ahead and end the video with this one for this week. I did start an Instagram. I will post a link to my Instagram in the description below. And we also have a Patreon, so be sure to check that out. And Patreon members will get a shout out and extra benefits. But I'm not going to start posting extra stuff until I start getting a patron in there.
Yeah.
And so
We're trying to come up with some merch too, I mean.
Yeah. Well, we got merch. We just got to get the patrons in there.
Yeah.
But anyways, anything else you want to say before we stop it here?
Nope. Stay safe, guys.
Yep. Stay salty, my friends.